How to create Telegram group invite link. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Telegram and then go to the group that you want to create an invite link for. Once you're here, you can simply click on add members at the top and a pop-up window will appear from which it says copy invite link. When you click on it, the group link will be copied and you can share it with friends and stuff like that. This is the link for the group that was created by default. However, if you want to create a new link, it's an easy process, so just follow these steps. Click on the group picture at the top, and from there click on the pencil icon at the top right of the screen. And here you need to click on the group type. It will take you to this page from which you can set the group type to be private or public. If the group is private, you will find the invite link that we just copied right here. You can copy, and Telegram tells you that people can join your group by following this link, and you can revoke the link at any time. And if the group is public, you can create the public link of your group, and Telegram tells you that if you set a public link, other people will be able to find and join your group. However, if you want to click your own link, click on manage invite links. As Telegram tells you, you can create additional invite links that have a limited time or number of users. So click on it. And here you can create, you need to click on create a new link. As Telegram tells you, you can generate invite links that expires after they are used. So click on it. And here, let's see how you can create it. You can click on request admin approval, turn it on or off. And as Telegram tells you, turn this on if you want users to join only after they are approved by the admin. You can also set the link by custom duration, meaning that the link will expire after a certain time, say for example 1 hour or 1 day or 1 week, etc. And also you can enter a custom link limit, meaning that the link will expire after a number of users have used it. Say for example 1, 10, 100, etc. And you can also set the link name, and once you do that, click on create link and the link will be created. So let's go ahead and do that. Link, and click on create link. And as you can see, the link has been created and it's set to expire after 6 days or after 100 people joins. And you can after that copy the link and share it with your friends or wherever. And yeah, it's a very easy and simple process. That's how you can create an invite link for your Telegram group. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.